There's a tiny scar on Hiccup that completely changes how you see his story, and almost nobody notices it. Look closely at Hiccup's chin throughout the entire How to Train Your Dragon. That small scar never disappears. And in How to Train Your Dragon 2, we finally learn where it came from. Not from a battle, not from dragon training, but from Cloud Jumper, the dragon who took his mother away the night his family was torn apart. Which means every time Hiccup stood in front of Bert defending dragons, he was carrying a mark from the moment dragons changed his life forever. And here's what makes it unbelievable. The first time Hiccup sees Cloud Jumper again, he doesn't choose revenge, he chooses trust. So tell me, is that forgiveness or the bravest thing Hiccup ever did? Comment forgiveness or courage.